Alright, before we proceed to our next song, I would like to greet a happy birthday to Sir Danny Malcasto from stall number 9. Hi po to stall number 9. Mag-ihap ako, tikang bili. Or tikang bili. Tama ba? Left or right? Basta stall number 9. Once again, happy birthday to Sir Danny Malcasto. Alright, sabay-sabay natin gawin na ng happy birthday song. Ang ating birthday celebrant tonight! Alright, bago naman tapusin yung kanta, once again, happy birthday po to Sir Danny Malcasto. Sana mas lipayan kayo ng tipong adlaw. Kami, hindi kami malimpayon. Saglit palimpaya kami! Palimpaya!